Happy morning, children. In today's computer class, we are going to revise the topics: holding the mouse, various tasks performed by the mouse buttons, and mouse clicks. Shall we see one by one, children? Yes. Look at the picture, children, holding the mouse. Look at the picture. You have to hold the mouse as shown in this picture. Okay, this is the correct way to hold the mouse. Computer mouse is used to perform various tasks. Let us see them. First one, point. Point. We can point at different objects on the monitor. Okay, we can point at the different objects on the monitor. Second one, select. We can select objects, things on the screen. We can select objects and things on the screen. Third one, drag and drop. We can drag and drop items on the screen. Okay, from one place to another place, we can drag and drop items on the screen. And fourth one, scroll. We can scroll through the page on the screen. Okay, we can scroll up and down on the screen. Mouse buttons. Children, what is this? Look at it. What is this? Yes, children, you're right. This is a computer mouse. Very good, children. Children, the computer mouse has got 3 buttons. Okay, computer mouse has got 3 buttons. Left mouse button, right mouse button, and scroll wheel. Left mouse button, right mouse button, and scroll wheel. Look carefully, children. Left mouse button, right mouse button, and a scroll wheel. The mouse has got how many buttons? 3 buttons. Very good, children. Now, I tell you how to hold the mouse in detail. Okay, children. First, place your index finger on the left mouse button. Okay, this is index finger. You have to place this index finger on the left mouse button. Which one is left mouse button? Yes, this is. Now, place the middle finger on the right mouse button. Okay, place your middle finger on the right mouse button. Okay. Then hold the mouse with the rest of the fingers. Okay, rest of the fingers we have to hold the mouse like this. Okay, children, see. This is how you have to hold the mouse. Okay, this is how you have to hold the mouse. Okay, left mouse button, right mouse button, and a scroll wheel. Left mouse button, right mouse button, scroll wheel. Children, first I read, you listen. Next, you repeat after me. Okay, children. Mouse buttons. Mouse buttons. Number 1. Left mouse button. Left mouse button. Number 2. Right mouse button. Right mouse button. Number 3. Scroll wheel. Scroll wheel. Now you repeat after me with a spelling, children. Mouse button. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Buttons. 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 First one, left, L-E-F-T, left. Mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Button, B-U-T-T-O-N, button. Left mouse button. Number 2, right, R-I-G-H-T, right. Mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Button, B-U-T-T-O-N, button. Right mouse button. Scroll wheel. Third one, scroll wheel. S-C-R-O-L-L, scroll. Wheel, W-H-E-E-L, wheel. Scroll wheel. Repeat again, children. Mouse buttons. Number 1, left mouse button. Number 2, right mouse button. Number 3, scroll wheel. Look at the mouse. Already you know the buttons. Okay. How you will press the button? Like this. Okay. Like this. Okay, children. In computer term, pressing the mouse button is called clicking. Okay. Here we will not say pressing. We will say clicking. Click. Click. Okay. Pressing the mouse button is called click. Pressing the mouse button is called clicking. Okay, do you understand? Pressing the mouse button, clicking. Children, there are 3 types of clicking. There are 3 types of clicking. Look at this. Pressing the left mouse button once is called left clicking. See, this is how you have to do. Pressing the left mouse button once is called left clicking. See, like this. Only once. Pressing the mouse button, left mouse button, only once. Okay. This is called left clicking. Okay. Pressing the right mouse button once is called right clicking. Like this, children. Only once you have to press it. Okay. Only once you have to click it. This is called right clicking. Left clicking, right clicking. Okay, you should not click both the buttons together. You should not. Okay, you should not press both the button at a time. Okay, children, if you want to press a left mouse button, leave out the right mouse button. Okay, press left mouse button and right mouse button. If you want to press right mouse button, or if you want to click right mouse button, just take out this index finger on the left and press the right mouse button. Do you understand? Yes, children. Left, pressing the left mouse button once is called left clicking. Pressing the right mouse button once is called right clicking. The third one is double clicking. That means pressing the left mouse button twice quickly is double clicking. Okay, children, look at this. Left mouse button, twice you have to click it. Okay, how? Quickly. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Twice. Okay, 1, 2. That's all. Pressing the left mouse button twice is called double clicking. 1, 2. Okay, children. Left clicking, right clicking, double clicking. Left clicking, right clicking, double clicking. Do you understand, children? Very good, children. Very good. Types of clicking. Children, repeat after me. Types of clicking. First one, left clicking. Left clicking. Second one, right clicking. Right clicking. Third one, double clicking. Double clicking. First one, left clicking. L-E-F-T. Left. Clicking. C-L-I-C-K-I-N-G. Clicking. Left clicking. Second one, right clicking. R-I-G-H-T. Right. Clicking. C-L-I-C-K-I-N-G. Clicking. Right clicking. Third one, double clicking. D-O-U-B-L-E. Double. Clicking. C-L-I-C-K-I-N-G. Clicking. Double clicking. Types of clicking. Left clicking, right clicking, double clicking. Thank you, children. Have a great day.